Yes, yes, this is nice. Hey, my people, what's good? What's poppin'? Thank you guys so much. We've hit a milestone on this channel. You know, a year ago when I started this YouTube live, it was kind of a little, way to get, through the pandemic and also to see what this, journey will take me. And this journey has been great. It has been so amazing. And thanks to you guys, we are, on our way to do great things. Like, I'm so excited. I'm super chuffed. All I will say is you guys mean a lot to me. If I put a video up and some of you do not watch it, I will not be here today. Your love means so much to me, so thank you. Let's get on with the video. Guys, I have a secret to tell you. Come here, come closer. I think we are sleeping on ZARA perfumes. What? Did you hear me? ZARA do some amazing perfumes. And I think you and we are sleeping on it. Seriously, we are. Like, I have discovered this perfume. You need to go try this perfume out. If only you like the note in the perfume, you will love it. You will love it 100%. You know I'm a lover for perfume, so don't let me talk too much. Let me show you. This is ZARA's Ebony Oud. ZARA's Ebony Oud is collaboration between ZARA and Jo Malone. If you know Jo Malone, you know their scents, you know the kind of perfumes they create, you know the love you get with Jo Malone perfume. So they have made a collaboration with ZARA. This has been out for about a year and people are sleeping on it. People are not paying attention to this. Trust me, this is a must buy. This perfume is a must buy. If you don't buy any perfume at all in ZARA, the previous ones I've shown you, if you don't buy that, get this. Get this Ebony Oud and you would thank me later. You would thank me. Let me read what it says at the back of the perfume. It says, that moment of freedom and carefree adventures that are about to begin. This is what this perfume is about. The moment of carefree adventures, like you put this perfume on and you feel like you can take on the world. So let me show you. It comes in a little one for, I believe, $5.99 or $6.99, and then it goes for $15.99, and then this is the biggest one for $25.99. This is what the perfume looks like when you open it. This is so classy. So simple yet classy, and it's 90 ml and for $25.99. This is so nice. All right, let's do a test. Yes, this is nice. Let me read the note out to you because I can feel a bit of, spice in it, a bit of pepper, something. So let me read it out to you. This is, so the fragrance reveals note of pink peppercorn, clove. Whoa, it has clove. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so nice. Ooh. Okay, so peppercorn, clove, and Ebony Oud. This is your best friend. This perfume for spring, summer, this is what you need to get. You guys, go into ZARA, go see some of the perfumes they do have. You'll be so amazed that they have such a lovely perfume for the fraction of the price compared to these designer perfumes. Guys, you better go out there and grab yourself Ebony Oud, because that will be your perfume and you will thank me later on. Okay guys, this was a short review because I was really excited. I had to show this. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my amazing family. Until I come your way another time, do take care. Goodbye. Mwah. This was just a short review of Ebony Weed because I was so excited. Does he know I'm filming?